Student, now we are going to solve theorem 6.3 class 9 general maths. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then two lines are parallel. We have to prove that one, which means if one transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, which means students we can say that as you can see in the video, this is the alternate interior angle, and in the question it is mentioned that in the theorem 6.3 it is mentioned that these two alternate interior angles are equal. Then we need to prove that these two lines are parallel. So let's have a look how to solve this theorem 6.3 class 9 general maths. Student, this is the diagram of theorem 6.3. Here it is given that alternate interior angles means alternate these two angles are equal, and we have to prove that AB equal to CD, which means these two lines parallel. We have to prove that, and PS is the transversal. So students, before that I will write here that given part. We'll write here given part. Now look student, here I am writing the given part. Given two lines AB and CD, two lines AB and CD, AB and CD are the two lines. Now look, after that transversal PS intersecting AB at Q, intersecting AB at Q and CD at R. This is the transversal PS intersecting the line AB at Q and CD at R. Now look after that, such that alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles are equal. Now look after that students, so we can say that these and these are the alternate interior angles, and these two are equal. It is given in the theorem. So we'll write here that is angle BQR, which means this angle, and CRQ. So we'll write here angle BQR equal to angle CRQ. Now look, this is the given part. What we have to prove here? We'll have to prove that AB parallel to CD. So we'll write here now to prove AB parallel CD. We have to prove that. Now look, after that we'll start here proof. Student, now we'll start that proof. Look here now, proof. We'll write here now for the lines AB and PS. Look here now, AB and PS. Here AQP, which means this angle, and here BQR, this angle. These two angles are vertical opposite angle. I repeat again, AQP means this angle and BQR means this angle. These two angles are vertical opposite angle. So after that we'll write here now angle AQP equal to angle BQR, and this is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite OPP or dot opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. This is our first equation. Now what is the given part here? In the given it is mentioned that these two angles are equal, means alternate interior angles are equal. So we'll take here now this one, that angle, here I am writing that angle BQR equal to angle CRQ, and this is given part. given part, and we'll take this one as our equation number 2. Now look student, from the equation 1 and 2 BQR is common, so we can say that here from 1 and 2 these two are cancelled, so remaining part would be here angle AQP equal to angle CRQ. Now look after that. Look here students, angle AQP and CRQ. Now look in the diagram, AQP and CRQ. AQP means this angle. I repeat again, AQP means this angle and CRQ means this angle, which means these two angles. I repeat again, AQP means this angle and CRQ means this angle. These two angles are corresponding angles. So we can write here that we write here that angle AQP equal to angle CRQ. In bracket we can write here corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now look after that, corresponding angles. Look in the diagram students, AB and CD are the two line and PS is the transversal and corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that if two lines is there and there is a transversal and corresponding angles are equal, so we can say that AB parallel to CD, because we know that according to the theorem that AB parallel to CD and or any two line is parallel, and if the transversal intersect the two line and if the corresponding angles are equal, so these two lines are parallel. So we can say that here AB and CD and PS is a transversal and these two angles are corresponding angles. So we'll write here now, thus for lines AB and CD with transversal PS corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that, so students we can say that hence AB and CD are parallel. ABCD are parallel. Hence proved. This is our theorem 6.3.